Hey, this is Jan from New York City. My channel name is Jan from New York City. Saves money. I love to help people keep some of their hard-earned money. Looking at 3 items today, of which I know you guys can get very, very creative. I am wondering from you, do you have a favorite go-to recipe, for example, that you would use this item, the Hunt's or other brand of pasta sauce? Do you have a specific recipe? And if you don't mind sharing it with us, please go ahead. Other than frankfurters and beans, because even the can itself, I was looking for a recipe, and all it says was hot dogs and beans, right? And I'm looking for, like, is there anything else recipe that would go with this? And it didn't have. So I'm thinking to myself, this is where you guys come in very, very handy, of which I know your ideas are spectacular. Now, I know that some people are super, super creative with ramen type noodles. What do you do other than making the actual soup the way it's traditionally made? Just wondering, what else do you do with your ramen noodles? Now, the back of this can, the Hunt's tomato sauce, premium Hunt's tomato sauce traditional, I did in fact find an actual recipe, and it is for easy manicotti, or as some Italian people may say it traditionally, manicotta. Just saying, just saying. But the print here is really, really small. So honestly, on a separate video, I'm going to come back to you with the actual recipe and just only talk about that. But for today, the chosen optional assignment is, what do you do with pasta sauce, or other than frankfurters and beans, what do you do with this type of product? Doesn't have to be necessarily this brand, but just, canned baked beans. In this case, I picked up some maple and cured bacon, very flavorful. And I am really curious to know what some people do other than making this traditional ramen noodles in a, form of soup. What else do some of you guys do with your ramen noodles? Because I'm going to be opening up this pack soon, because this thing, I don't want it to expire. I want to start using it. So I want to hear some really fun and creative ideas. All of your suggestions will be fun, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. All right, so I'm going to come back separately to the Hunt's pasta sauce in an upcoming video. And let me know in reference to all three, whatever creative thing that you have. Thank you so much. And thank you for your time. And if you found any value in this video, please smash down the like button. And I'll be back with a separate video about the Hunt's pasta sauce. Take good care. Have a great day, everybody.